So what happens before the investor roundtable? We are taking a walk in Marina Bay and thinking that if we can put all the startups inside that water, and then they can swim back to the shore, so that they
Don't
can
say
raise
that
capital.
they will not come to Dubai. Why are you saying that?
But on a second note, we are actually enjoying ourselves. This is Sunday, and we thought that probably we'll give a gift to both of us while working. Just take a walk in Marina Bay, find some good place to sit, and as you can see, we can see a lot of yacht over here. Bianca, how are you feeling? Are you feeling good?
I'm very good. I cannot wait to meet everyone and have a good round table together.
Super.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about, have your cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. 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 Cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up shit, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
We're in Dubai?
Yeah. Are you enjoying Dubai?
Of course.
How?
Well, I'm having fun. I'm meeting nice people. But there's you, so okay.
Think positive.
I'm always thinking.
So if we don't have this walk, sorry, we wouldn't be able. This is actually ordered by my friend Bianca, who wanted 2 ice cream to eat because she loves ice cream.
Yeah, but it's so big. I'm so sorry. It's like 1 kilo of sugar here. But it's okay. Arijit will eat as well. I don't have the best of the best or not?
Ooh la la. Huh?
Yeah, oh la la. I'm sorry. You will say, God, go home.
I will not say that.